Hi, Jason Gaston here, the Freedom Flipper. I hadn't made a video in quite a while, so I figured we start the new year off right of 2019 with a video. But before you listen to the video, I want to click on the link below this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where you can find out tips, tricks, and strategies on how to wholesale and renovate properties, how to flip houses. If you want more information about that, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel here. So what I want to talk about today is I want to talk about some of the top marketing tactics and strategies that we're using in 2019 to find deals right now in this market. So first of all, I want to talk about the first marketing tactic that I want to talk about right now is Bandit Signs. Now I know you get marketing emails, things like that. It's talking about Bandit Signs are dead. But the truth is, if you use them and you use them consistently, you can definitely find deals using this market strategy of Bandit Signs. But you have to be a little bit organized about it. You have to figure out, you have to look and find the hot zip codes in your area where the cash buyers are, because you want to make sure that your Bandit Signs are located in those areas. So first strategy is Bandit Signs. Now, a lot of people are worried about your local ordinances, and in most cities there is some type of ordinance for not putting signs in the right of way. So of course you got to do that at your own risk, but you also got to make sure you don't use make sure you use a voice over IP telephone number, so they can't exactly track it down to who you are for that sign. So you want to be organized with it, map out your city, figure out where you're going to put those signs. So first strategy we're using in 2019, and it's a tried and true tested strategy we've used for many years, and that is Bandit Signs. The second marketing strategy that we're using is referrals. So referrals, of course, for us, it comes from over the years, just getting our name out there and people know who we are. But if you're out there and you're just beginning to get into real estate, then what you want to do is you want to go to networking meetings, pass out business cards, let people know who you are, and just in your general conversation in your daily life, talk about what you do to people that you meet with, and let them know that you buy houses for cash, give them a business card. So we get a lot of deals in our business, not only from Bandit Signs, but also from referrals. But you just have to make sure you go out there and talk about what you do. Don't be shy. A lot of people, they're kind of shy about telling people what they do, about putting it out there. But in order to be successful in this business, you got to put yourself out there and let people know what you do. And that way you can, over time, you can build a good stream of leads that come just from referrals. So first tactic that we are using in 2019 is Bandit Signs. Second one is referrals. And then a third strategy we're using in 2019 to find deals is cold calling. Now, if you're brand new at it and you want to get in there and jump and do the calls yourself, you can do that. But you have to get over first thing you have to do is get over your fear of talking on the phone. I know when I first started investing in real estate, the first marketing strategy I ever used in my business was to put out Bandit Signs. Now, what I didn't think about was put those Bandit Signs. I put them out, and actually the phone rang. I was like, oh my goodness, now I actually got to talk on the phone. And for me, I'm more of an introverted type person. I'm not a person that likes to get out and talk on the phone. I'm not going to be the center of attention in a social gathering, anything like that. That's just not that's not my personality. But when it comes to marketing for real estate, I had to get over my fear of speaking on the phone when those phone calls started coming in. So something you're going to have to do is you got to get over your fear of talking on the phone. But the truth is, you get better by repetition. If you get on the phone and you make 50 phone calls, before long, you're not going to think anything about it anymore. So you have to get beyond that fear. But cold calling is the exit strategy. Why? Because you're getting directly on the phone with the person that's looking to sell that property. We use Bandit Signs, a lot of different other marketing strategies, and that generates leads, phone calls coming to you. But another great strategy is to get that. So what you have to do, you have to get a list of people. You have to skip trace that list, where that list comes from. Maybe you're driving for dollars and collect a list of vacant houses, or maybe you're purchasing a list from a list provider, or maybe you're getting a list of vacant houses from bird dogs that are going out, lead finders that are going out, and getting addresses of houses that look vacant, grown up grass, whatever strategy you're using to bring those in. You take those leads and you skip trace those leads, so that those leads so that you can get the telephone numbers for those particular individuals. Now, is that list going to be perfect? Are there going to be some wrong phone numbers when you do it? Of course there are, but we use services like batch skip tracing. There's different services out there. If you just Google skip tracing, you can find out more about it. And there are a lot of different services out there where you can skip trace your leads either one at a time or in bulk when you send them a whole list. So cold calling is a strategy that we are using in 2019 to find deals. So we're using Bandit Signs, referrals, cold calling, and also direct mail. Now, a lot of people would say, well, if you're cold calling a list and you're calling people on the phone, why would you also do direct mail? Well, the answer to that is not everybody's going to answer the phone. Some people don't like to talk on the phone. Some people, if it's not a specific person that they know, they're not going to answer the phone. So not everybody that you cold call is going to answer the phone. So, and also not everybody that you cold call is going to have a number where you can get directly with them. Sometimes you can't find those even after you skip trace them. So a way to get in touch with those owners who won't answer a cold call or won't even take the time to listen to you on a cold call is to send them a postcard in the mail. So now these are just a few of the strategies that we're using in 2019 to find deals. The first strategy is Bandit Signs. Second strategy, referrals. Third strategy is cold calling. And fourth strategy is direct mail, sending postcards to homeowners. So I just want to make a quick video, tell you something about tell you a few of the marketing strategies that we're using in 2019 to locate deals, to wholesale, or to fix and flip. Whatever strategy you may be looking to use, if these strategies work for either one. So make sure you're actually take one of these things that I've mentioned today that we're using that we know are working in this market in 2019, and just take one of those things and start putting them. If you're new in this business, you haven't done a deal yet, just take one of these strategies and start working that strategy. But the important thing is, no matter what strategy you choose to use in your business to find deals, is to make sure that you're being consistent with those deals. So again, thanks for watching. Before you finish the video, click on the link below this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, click on the link in the description. Go to freedomflippingacademy.com and you can get our top 7. You can get our free book there, top 7 marketing strategies that no one's ever heard of. So we want you to make sure you take advantage of those. So top 5 ways to find below market deals that most people have never heard of. So you can get that free book there. Just enter your information. And we'd love to stay in contact with you, but go to freedomflipping.com right there on the home page. Enter your name and email address there, and we'll send you that free book. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.